now officially over, and the last match was Roman Reigns versus The Undertaker, and here's my reaction, man. Swear to God. You fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you sit? Okay, man, that's it. I'm canceling my subscription. Yeah, no. Nope. That's it. 5 hours for WrestleMania to end like that. I'm done, man.